How to fix My Telstra app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection if you have strong and stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch any of the app that runs on internet other than My Telstra app. If app doesn't work, you can give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, open your settings, click on the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now click on Forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. Now let's jump into other solutions. Open your App Store. You will need to update the app to its latest version, so search for the app My Telstra. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. You have to clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Open this option General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, you have to find the app My Telstra. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply last solution. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, you can close this. Now go ahead and long press on My Telstra app. Different options will pop up. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store. Now search for the app My Telstra. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix My Telstra app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.